Okay, Otis, this pedal has a lot of different things that it can do. I'm going to play it through a 335 through a Deluxe Reverb, blackface 79 335. Okay, I'm going to play it on the first setting and you can hear it. Alright, I'm just going to talk out loud so you can at least hear it. Now it's in bypass mode. Now it's in the first mode. That's with both pickups on in the middle position. Now to the B setting. Next setting. This is the one I like. Next one. And then the last one. Got both pickups on. Now, treble pickup, bridge pickup, bypass. Treble pickup. Now, A position. Got some honk. Now, here's another one. Next one. And here's with it off. Here's with it on. And then here we go. The next one is with it off. With it on. And then the last one. Off. On. That's with it in the bite position. If you have it in the snarl position, that's really cool. That's in the E position, and you can compensate on the volume. That's in the E position. Now here's D. That's with the pedal on. Here's with it off. Gets pretty honky.